the volcanic experiment, first we will need water. Take one. Yes, that's good. Then we will put it in the water. Then second we take this soap. Add at least 3, 5, about 10 ml. Then we go with that. That's enough. Then we will add the baking soda. Baking soda very good.
Should we add it in the beginning?
Yes. Then we will add the vinegar. Lots of vinegar. Then if you want even more froth, add more vinegar. Add more baking soda. Add more baking soda.